Hello and welcome. This is a short video clip to show you some tips on how to keep all your powdered ingredients fresh and in their bags. I use clip sealers and they come in 3 sizes. One is 14 centimeter and this is slightly longer, 18 centimeter, and you have the longest one which is 22 centimeter. So really it depends on the size of your packaging. Nescafe. This is instant powder. If you don't keep it in an airtight container, it is going to harden and you won't be able to use it anymore. So I use my clip sealer, which is the shortest one, perfect fit for this one. All you have to do is to slide this in and then there you go. This is already airtight. There is no way that the air can get in there and you keep it fresh all the time. Now, I have another one here which I use regularly. For this one, well, if I use the short one, it won't fit. So I'm going to have to try a longer one. Now, this is the 18 centimeter one. So what you have to do is to fold the top and then slide the sealer in. And then this is airtight. Okay, so there you go. And now I have 2 of them already sealed. This one is a larger pack. And if I use the small one, it won't fit. I use the medium one, it probably is okay. But if I use the longer one, it is a perfect fit. So I'm going to fold the top here. I'm going to fold it forward so that you can see how it's done. And then I'm going to slide this in. And once again, you have an airtight container here. Now the beauty of keeping your ingredients in their packaging is that you can store it this way and you don't have to use a lot of space. So there you go. I hope that this video clip is useful for those that are looking to save space in their storage as well as making sure that all their dry ingredients are kept fresh. That's all I have for today. See you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.